To be honest, Virginia, I didn't really have hesitation in working with you because we'd worked together within the sector as colleagues. You were the CEO of one of our peer organisations. And I was really impressed with the way that you were able to work with us on some complex issues. There were some areas where our work overlapped, where we had to work through some complexity and we had to, work together collegially with our funder to resolve some matters, to make things work better for our community first and foremost, but then for both of our organisations. And what I liked about it was your really focused approach on we need to put aside any differences we have. We need to work out why we're here. And as a consequence of that, we need to work together to improve our approach and make it work. And I really appreciated the can-do attitude. Some hesitations I've had in the past, I guess, as a leader of an organisation, is that sometimes you feel that really you shouldn't need help, that if you've got this role as a senior role within an organisation, that you really should know everything you need to know in order to do that job. And you can, I guess, feel that by accepting, that by asking for assistance, that perhaps you're not up to the role. But really, what I realised is, of course, we need always to be able to reach out to get thoughts from others, because we always need to keep learning at every stage of our career, and it's been really helpful to have that opportunity. Really good perspectives on change management, because in any organisation, and certainly in the sector that we work in our organisation, which is human services, change is a constant factor, but change management is really hard because people are busy. People, their main priority is to get the work done. Yet we're in a changing world, so we're constantly having to adapt and evolve. And Virginia's enabled us to really look at, well, what is it about change, and what is it that is going on when change isn't working, or when we're finding people aren't on board yet, and helped us to think about, well, where's the starting point? How do we take that forward? And how do we put in place an effective plan so that change works? A number of things that were really beneficial. One of them was you brought so much experience from working across a range of sectors. So you were, it's always good to talk to someone who's been in the workforce, been working on change within organisations for some time, and can actually draw on perspectives from not just our industry but other areas. I think that was great, but also your ability to get to the point and to really, to make sure that we didn't skip over issues or avoid the really difficult issues. Look, I think it's certainly helped our team to have perspectives on how we work as a team, because obviously in any organisation, as soon as you are an organisation, that means you're more than one person, so you're a team. And we always need to look at how we can improve and work collectively so that the sum of our efforts is really so much more than if we just added up the individual parts.